What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Coyote ZR2. Today will be a quick and simple install. Got this sent to me by the OCD plug. It's basically a multicam vinyl for your shifter panel here. Basically, I'll be showing you how to take out the shifter panel, put this over it, and put it back together. Big shout out to the OCD plug. They did send me this for free to make this video for you guys. There'll be a link in the description for this, as well as the screen protector they sell, which has been a big hit so far, and as well as some vinyl for the back. And they also sell some black inlays for a hood for your scoops and non-scoop version of the Colorados. And I'm gonna make this quick, neat, and gritty to get it done. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Comment below what else you guys want to see me do to my Colorado. I do have a dash accessory mount from Victory 4x4 coming, or I guess the part's already here, essentially, but they did not send out the USB power for old-time power, so I am currently waiting for that to get here. So I got that going in, and then I have an aux beam switch panel I got to put in, and then I have some ditch lights, and then possibly we'll be getting some wheels here pretty soon for the truck, so a lot to look forward to. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. The build just started. I plan on doing bigger lift, bigger tires, more accessories inside, roof rack, light bars, bumper, all that good stuff. So let's just crack right into this. I'll show you guys how to take off this panel, and then we'll jump inside the house because it's hot out here in the truck. And I'll show you the cleaning process and the install process of this vinyl overlay. Let's jump right in there. Ready. So the first thing you want to do, you should be able to just pry this up. And that just kind of gets out of the way. I don't have the wireless charger in this, so I don't know if this is just as easy for the folks with the wireless charger, but I don't have one, so this kind of pops right up. Then what you're going to do, there's a notch right here you can stick your finger in. Just kind of pull up, and it pops up. And then make your way to the driver or shifter side. Pop up on that, and then you should be able to grab it from the back. I also have a little pry tool, stick in there, just pop up. Pop up, and it's as easy as that. Just basically four little notches holding this piece in, and the whole piece pops out. So I'm gonna dump inside the house now, get all the dust off this. As you can see, and I know this thing is really prone to scratching, which is why I'm doing the vinyl over it, because I just hate how this looks with all the smudges and the constant dust on it and dirt. Is just, I don't know why they went with this shiny piano black on this piece, where everything else is more like a matte black. But yeah, we'll take care of that now. So let's jump inside the house and get that vinyl on. The first thing I'm gonna do is just clean this off. I'm just using some interior cleaner for it. A little microfiber towel here. And you can just, I don't know if you guys can see that, just riddled with micro scratches on there. And then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol just to make sure you get any excess oil off that might prevent the vinyl from sticking properly. You can see I'm trying to grab it from underneath it just to not get my fingerprints on the actual spots that the vinyl is going to rest on. Just give it a quick rub down. Let that air dry, and then this vinyl basically just kind of just go boop. All right, so now I'm going to apply this I'll start from the back going forward. We'll see how this goes. Basically, I'm going to peel a little of this back. Probably just take the corner. Probably peel it back to about there. I'm going to fold the crease there. Try to get just a section of this lined up. Kind of lightly have that sit there. And pull back a little more. I'm just lightly tapping it just to kind of get stuff in place, see where the edges are. Like stuff like that. Kind of just want to sit like that. Basically just lightly pulling it just to make sure there's no major creases or anything. So it's not perfect, but I mean, you guys probably can't even see. So I'm just gonna use you can use a heat gun or a blow dryer. I'm just gonna kind of work on getting some of these wrinkles out of here, basically. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's good. I think that's good enough. Basically just taking a razor blade and shave off any excess around any of the nook and crannies there. I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's go jump in the truck and we'll see what it looks like installed. Alright, so reinstalling this is just as easy as putting it back in. Basically just gonna slide it over pop in the back, go work my way to the front, pop those down. This just kind of rests there, and it's in place. But yeah, once it's installed, you can't really even see any imperfections that I had in it. You know, maybe one if you're really looking for it, you probably can. Right now, I'm just making sure. So you just pop back down some more, just make sure it's fully in place all around it. But I'll shoot some B-roll, show you guys some before and after, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's quick and easy little mod you can do. I'll leave a link below in the description where you can find this. They also make this tailgate insert overlays, which I'm probably not gonna make a video for this because this is pretty self-explanatory. Just clean off the area and place them on. But yeah, big shout out to OCD Plug for sponsoring this video, basically sending out the product for free for me to do this video on and show you guys exactly how to do it. Biggest tips would be just take your time with it. Don't be afraid of a couple wrinkles. Heat gun is definitely a must. The only two things I really needed was cleaning product, razor blade, or three things I needed. Razor blade, something to clean the surface with, and then some rubbing alcohol just to make sure there's no grease or anything on there. We'll see how it holds up. Right now, I think it looks pretty good. They also sell it in the camo that you've seen that I installed, matte black, and I think like a shiny black as well. So check them out, links below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. Appreciate it a lot. Thanks for checking out my video. Make sure you watch some other content. I have a lot more videos coming out. Currently just rating on one piece from Victory 4x4 to get here to show you guys a dash accessory mount with all-time power at the dash. So stay forward to that video. Like always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.